Dear viewers, welcome to English Skills Matter. In short, we call it ESM. ESM is a learning platform. In this platform, students will be able to learn English in different ways. We know that the English language situation in Bangladesh is not very satisfactory. In global ranking, our position is 62 out of 123 countries. So our position is moderate, but if we want to survive in global competition and also for work and services globally, then our language proficiency should be increased, especially students, those who are going to have higher studies and also pursue higher education, even within the country and also in abroad. They should have very good proficiency in English. Considering all these issues, we have opened this new platform or channel where students can be able to learn different courses according to their needs. In this platform, we will offer multiple courses of different levels. For example, the students who are studying at the high school, they will have their own courses. Students or anyone want to learn English from the very beginning, they will have the basic English courses. Students studying at the honors level and pursuing honors degree in English, there will be some specific courses for them. Even someone who would like to have job and they are facing difficulties in managing job questions, especially regarding English, they will also have some courses. So we believe that through different initiatives, activities, materials, we will be able to help them. We believe that this program will help them a lot to flourish their skills in English. So welcome all again to ESM. Please stay with us and enjoy different lessons and try to understand, explore and find which courses or course is really suitable for you and according to your own needs. Thank you very much.